Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another episode of Click With Me. My name is Captain Ojas and today we are going to play with some paper and create this. So let's jump in. Begin by placing two heighted objects on a table. Now place a plastic or glass sheet on top of it. Next goes a light source beneath it. You can use any light source, a torch or even your mobile phone torchlight would do. Now search in Google color wheel PNG and take a printout and place this printout below our glass sheet. Now let's check out how to make the paper shapes for our project. I would suggest taking A4 size paper and cutting them into small manageable size. Now stack them in 20 to 30 numbers and make a shape as shown here. If you're alone in your studio working alone, it would help to staple everything together so that it stays the way it is supposed to stay. Now place the finished shape on the already prepared table and start shooting from top to down. This is what the result would look like. For the next shape, we just have to make a paper fan and follow the entire procedure again. Put it back on the glass table and start shooting. This is your result for this paper shape. Let's move on to the next one. For this, we will have to make some round lobes of paper just like as shown here in this video. Arrange them in this fashion and staple them together. Put the shape on the glass table and just watch the magic happen. So this was all about paper abstract photography. Hope you've learned something new, and if you have, do not forget to click the like and subscribe button. Until next time, stay safe and click with me.